which website would be the best for giving sectional mocks and full-length mocks?
Sectional mock I usually was giving on GMAT Club only. On the forum quiz, the UI is more like GMAT Club only. It's like a GMAT official only. So if you just like verbal questions, then it will give you questions only on that. So it kind of converts to a sectional question. And for official full length, like I had 12 12 official papers. Then I had at least 7, 8 different coaching centers where they give free test. And on GMAT Club also, that they also give their full length tests, which are free on special occasions like Diwali and Christmas and all those days. So on those days, I used to attempt their test also. Their tests are also fairly good. Yeah. So all these like 12 officials and of classic and 12 officials of focused. Then I think 6 to 8 are from Barbara, and then 3, 4 I gave from GMAT Club, and 7, 8 other coaching centers. And then 6 of Manhattan Club, yes.